Hi all, welcome back to our vlog. Vlog में नहीं, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel, Smiles with Neha and Tejas.
Yes, and आपको याद होगा कि हम 2 weeks पहले काफी फोन हंट पे गए थे. So
काफी बहुत बार
एक ही मॉल में दो बार गए थे and we were so confused between the two, Google या Samsung ले for Tejas of course. And finally आज के वीडियो में we are going to do
the unboxing of the
A
special
Samsung.
delivery from Samsung.
This is a Samsung S26 Ultra. So come, let's see the unboxing and Tejas will tell you all the features, price points and एकदम वो किसकी तरह some tech expert की तरह आपको पूरा दिखाएंगे हम. So let's begin.
All right, let's go.
पहले unbox करते हैं. Let's go.
चलो, dare to open. ऐसे खुल जाएगा क्या? Yeah. Enjoy.
The Galaxy S26 Ultra is here. खुशी देखो लड़के की, खुशी देखो.
चलो, टेक यूट्यूबर ऐसे नहीं करते.
ऐसे नहीं करते क्या?
ऐसे दिखाओ इसको पहले.
कैसे
ऊपर
दिखाते?
से.
ओके ओके डन. Let's do the unboxing.
S26 Ultra. Going from this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 जो 2 साल पहले मैं पुंटू ने दिया था as a gift and
As a wedding gift.
as a wedding gift. बहुत अच्छा है, अलग है, आई कैचिंग है, बट थोड़ा उसके साथ चैलेंजेस भी आते हैं. वेनी एनी हाउ पीपल विल आस्क कौन सा फ़ोन है, मुझे भी दिखाओ, इसमें क्रीज आता है कि नहीं है, कैसे हैंडल होता है, इज इट रियली यूजफुल एंड स्टफ. उसके बारे में बात करेंगे अलग से वीडियो में. पर टाइम हैज़ कम टू अपग्रेड फ्रॉम अ फ्लिप फोन टू अ S26 Ultra bar phone, but yeah, better features, hopefully better battery and camera. Let's dive deep into it. Three, two, one. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow. Hey, what color is this?
ये ब्लैक है.
Oh, beautiful.
ब्लू दिख रहा है क्या आपको? ब्लैक दिख रहा है?
गाइस ये थोड़ा सा ब्लू नहीं दिख रहा है हमें. या मुझे ब्लू दिख रहा है, but when you pick up at an angle it's looking black.
It's crazy black.
Show us your phone, sir.
Phone aside for a moment, let's see what's there in the box.
Okay.
So of course no charger. उसको सेपरेटली प्री ऑर्डर किया है. प्री ऑर्डर के साथ उसको भी डिस्काउंट मिला था. दे आर प्रीटी एक्सपेंसिव, 3500 4000 के आसपास है. प्री ऑर्डर में वो भी डिस्काउंट में मिलेगा. 60
तो आपने ये पूरा फोन प्री ऑर्डर किया था, राइट?
हाँ. द ट्रस्ट वाज ऑलरेडी देयर विद सैमसंग. सैमसंग का फ्लैगशिप फोन्स बहुत अच्छे, एटलीस्ट ड्यूरेबिलिटी अच्छा है एंड सब बेसिक चीज़ें काम अच्छे से करते हैं. इकोसिस्टम टैब मेरे पास सैमसंग का ही टीवी है, टैब है, वॉच है एंड अर्लियर फोन भी सैमसंग का ही है. सो द इकोसिस्टम फिट्स वेरी वेल. सो इट वाज अ ब्लाइंड ट्रस्ट ऑन सैमसंग्स न्यू S26 Ultra लॉन्च. तो हमने प्री ऑर्डर कर लिया. प्री ऑर्डर लॉन्च हुआ था आई थिंक 15th Feb के आसपास. सो तभी 1000 रुपये लेके यू कैन प्री ऑर्डर एंड देन देयर वाज अ लॉन्च इवेंट ऑन 26th of February. दैट इज वेयर 27 February को हमने ऑर्डर कर लिया था. सो यू गेट अ lot of offers. We'll talk about it. There's some booklets which we don't need, and there is some SIM ejector tool which also I don't need because I use a eSIM, and then I have a cable, and of course there is no adapter which we will get it in the next delivery. Abhi tak aaya nahi hai.
Okay.
Keeping all of this aside, let's go into the phone. Okay. The best part.
Wow. Welcome home S26 Ultra. How are you feeling, Babu?
Amazing. कैसा लगा मेरे हाथ में?
बहुत सही लग रहा है.
Compared to this is slightly bigger. Size I think it's the same. Let's see कैसे लगेगा on a day-to-day usage. Same or slightly.
But the camera is a very very big upgrade. Going from the Flip to the Ultra series is only an upgrade.
Yeah.
इसका कैमरा इतना अच्छा नहीं था, right?
इसका कैमरा, this is not a camera centric phone. This is more of a compact size. ये तुम्हारा जेब में अच्छे से बैठ जाएगा.
More of a fashion accessory kind of
Fashion
phone.
accessory, and you have to be a little careful when you use it.
Got
But
it.
saying that, Samsung gives you a very good after sales service as well. मेरा एक साल के अंदर कुछ तो स्क्रीन में प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. They replaced it free, and then we have about 2.5 years. I have some more glitches on the screen, but this time I thought let's upgrade it. And this is the phone. I don't. इसमें 5 कैमरा सेटअप है. एक 200 मेगापिक्सल का प्राइमरी कैमरा, एंड देन 50 मेगापिक्सल का एक टेलीफोटो कैमरा. I'll give you the specs. I don't exactly remember, but there are 2 टेलीफोटो लेंस, एक 3x का एक 5x का, और there is a 12 megapixel camera as well. So 5 कैमरा है.
Nice.
Camera, the new thing from S25 Ultra is of course this island thing on which these 3 camera reside.
ऐसे आईफोन का कॉपी नहीं लग रहा है आपको?
Come on, iPhone का कहाँ, इस बार तो ऐसे कर दिया iPhone ने.
Yeah, but the island thing is more like a iPhone thing.
नहीं, it's more of a Samsung Fold से यहाँ पे आया. Fold में
Okay.
already आ गया था. तो that is how, and all of this is now more rounded if you see.
Yeah.
S23 Ultra से मेरा इंटरेस्ट था कि Samsung का सबसे बेस्ट फोन ले, बट वो बहुत चंकी एंड प्लास्टिक की भी लग रहा था. didn't feel premium. And then S25 Ultra was better, but still very sharp corners. But this is now, of course, the latest and the greatest S26 Ultra.
Can we get a look, sir?
Okay, let's turn it on.
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, and long press.
There you go. Okay, you do all of this now.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be back after setting up the phone. वो सारे करके फिर से हम देखेंगे उसको. बट मैं वी वेंट टू अ मॉल द अदर डे एंड वहाँ पे हमने इसका कैमरा टेस्ट किया एंड इट वाज सो गुड. तो आई एम आईफोन पर्सन थ्रू एंड थ्रू. आई एम एप्पल गर्ल एंड ही इज इनटू लाइक सैमसंग. सो हमने फिर भी इसका कैमरा टेस्ट किया था अगेंस्ट एन आईफोन. इट वाज सो गुड, लाइक इट वाज रियली नाइस. आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ ह्यूज अपग्रेड इन द कैमरा एज वेल. The S26 Ultra also comes with a stylus, the stylus pen. I think it's a really classy phone, है ना?
I love it.
Nice. अभी ये फ्लिप से S26 में सारा डेटा ट्रांसफर कर रहा है. इजी होता है ना ट्रांसफर करना?
हाँ, उनका ही स्कैन द QR and then it's all done. अभी बताओ 50 GB even after getting things
Transferred into a laptop.
हाँ, बैकअप करने के बाद भी यहाँ पे 50 GB है. Should I transfer everything? I don't have time to figure out what. Let's transfer everything.
Nice.
Anything with ease. Do more with Gemini. Start searching instantly from anywhere. Remove unwanted sounds with audio eraser. Turn photos into cartoons and more.
Cartoons.
Translate phone calls in real time. Write options at your fingerprint. That is something again AI. Transcribe and summarize calls. Of course AI. That's the most important thing.
What's the most important thing?
The privacy display.
Oh. Why do you need a privacy display, sir?
Because every time there is a notification, you just come and try to peep what's happening. And this phone helps me not to make you see anything. I mean, you can't see anything.
क्यों आप छुपाना क्या चाहते हो इस दुनिया
छुपाना
में?
नहीं, आपको देखना क्या है? आपको पता है ना मैं छुपाता नहीं हूँ. तो देखते क्यों?
तो you don't need that feature है ना?
I need it.
Why do you need
It's
it?
not just you.
Then
तो
Then
लिफ्ट में जाओगे, ऑफिस में जाओगे, यूपीआई कहीं पे भी एंटर कर दोगे, तो इट्स स्टिल यूजफुल. फोन अनलॉक करने के टाइम पासवर्ड लगाओगे, तो इन द पब्लिक, so people don't need to know what is your password. There are
okay.
a lot of use cases, right?
However, this is the first phone that has launched the privacy display. Samsung has launched the privacy display first. Of course, you will get screen guards that you can use, but this is more.
This is lot more customizable than your screen guards. तो डिस्प्ले में कहाँ पे तुम्हें प्राइवेसी डिस्प्ले चाहिए, ओनली नोटिफिकेशन बार में चाहिए कि ओनली, एंड व्हेन टू काइंड ऑफ इनिशिएट दैट, इट्स एट अ हार्डवेयर लेवल. सो पता नहीं चलेगा, ओनली व्हेन यूजिंग यूपीआईज एंड सम पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशंस एनेबल कर सकते हो. तो अदरवाइज इट इज नॉर्मल डिस्प्ले, ब्राइटनेस सब कुछ बढ़िया रहेगा. व्हेन यू स्विच दिस ऑन, इट इज ओनली विजिबल टू मी, एंड जो भी आजू बाजू से दिख रहा है उनको पूरा ब्लैक दिख जाएगा.
Can we see that, please?
अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes.
अभी
Oh my God, नहीं दिख रहा है.
अभी
दिख रहा है. इधर ही, in this angle only full चला जाता है. Nice.
So
That's one new feature. Though I don't know how much useful it is, but it's a good feature to have.
yeah. I mean, we'll see. I'll switch
Good
it
work,
on
Samsung.
only for notifications now and some UPI applications. We'll see how much it can do or cannot do.
Okay.
बाकी का इसके प्राइस के बारे में अगर बात करें तो if you order now before 10th of March, there is pre-order offers going on. So you can pre-order and get a storage bump up. So 256 GB is somewhere 13,999, which is 1.4 lakhs, and 512 GB is 20,000 more than that. That's 1,60,000, and 1,90,000 ish is your 1 TB. तो अगर अभी आप ऑर्डर करोगे तो 512 GB you will get it at 1,40,000, which is already a 10,000 increase from the launch price of S25 Ultra. But I feel it's worth it. There are new privacy display upgrade, and there are a lot of AI features. That's, of course, AI features will come into S25 Ultra as well for as a software update. But there is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite. That's the new processor in this. Although this also had the Snapdragon Gen 3, but I still feel the thermals were a issue with this, and whenever the phone got a lot of heated up, it was not performing well. There's a lot of throttling that I used to face, but this hopefully will handle the thermal. There is a vapor chamber inbuilt, so cooling acha rahega. I'm not a gamer, so I don't really play a lot of games, but I do use GPS a lot whenever I drive, and the phone would be directly in the sunlight. Let's see if it can hold that kind of a temperature and still perform. That's the major thing for me, which it has to work. And YouTube, Netflix, that's the major thing that I consume. Of course, apart from that, there are accounts that I want to handle. There is a completely primary phone, the personal phone. Also, work also goes within this. So there is almost two phones separated out at a hardware level. So I wanted to kind of work seamlessly in that aspect as well.
Okay, coming next to the AI features, can you enlighten us about क्या क्या नया AI है इसमें?
हाँ, इसमें AI is deeply integrated, unlike your Apple.
Hey, no comments on Apple, please.
तो नया चीज ये है कि we have seen all of those old assistants, right? The Amazon Alexa or the Bixby in Samsung, or your Siri in your Apple. This time, these guys have kind of collaborated with Perplexity for Bixby. So Bixby is also now an LLM-based chat assistant, and also has access to your messages and some of the calendars and stuff. So there is some feature called nudge. So whenever you start typing in your message, or somebody asks, can we meet at 8 p.m.? So it has access to your calendar. So it gives, okay, this is the appointment that you already have. So do you want to send this? Or if somebody asks you about some movie, so it also has access to your Book My Show bookings, or from the email stuff. So it directly gives, you can just click on that, and somebody asks you, can you send me yesterday night's photo? तो गैलरी से yesterday nights का फोटो ऑटोमेटिकली तुम्हारे चैट के ऊपर ही आ जाएगा, so you just click and send it.
Wow, you can do more with it now.
Yeah, and of course default जो AI का था, like changing, erasing things from your photos and stuff, now everything is voice assistant, right? So तुम click करो और वहाँ पे talk whatever you want. So editing is so easy now. You just say मुझे background change करो, यहाँ पे मेरा quote change करो, या brighten up करो image को. It just does it. And of course I have to see how it really works, but and how long does it work for free. But currently they have all of these use cases, and of course Gemini has worked with Samsung again, so Gemini is also integrated. So press of a button you will have Gemini Live,
Wow.
which is what I use for daily AI. So wo bhi hai. That's something that I have known till now, but they have kind of talked about a lot of agentic AI, that it can do everything by itself. There is one thing on the call side, so you don't really have to pick up any calls, so it talks as a human being to the other person, gets you what they are interested in as a transcript, and you can just read it. If you want to really pick the call up, if you want you can pick up or just cut it. That's it.
Nice.
So nobody can really irritate you with the spam calls and stuff nowadays. That's pretty much it. I will set this whole thing up, transfer everything from my other favorite phone, which is the gift that I have. I will not say a goodbye to this. I'll fix it and have it as my secondary phone. But let's see what other things are there to excite me with the Samsung S26 Ultra. I'm more excited with the magnetic or the wireless charger. I never used with this, but here with the case that I have bought with this, which is ultra thin Samsung's case with the MagSafe. Of course, you guys, the Apple guys, already had it. It's inbuilt in your phone. You can just click it anywhere wherever MagSafe charges. But this is the first time it's there. Of course, it's still part of the accessory, but I would want to find some accessories which can just stay on my desk like this and keep charging.
Nice. I think price point is same at this point as Apple only. तो ये इसको पड़ा 1,40,000 का, and when I had bought the Z Flip for him, that was around 1 lakh. So it is an expensive phone. It's a flagship phone. It's the best out there in Samsung. So I think it's worth the buy, है ना?
I mean, I don't know about the price, but what options do you have? I came from OnePlus flagship earlier in 2019. So at that time, it was costing about 40K. Now, even they have reached somewhere 70 to 80K. And for me, for all of the corporate works, the corporate or the MNCs kind of trust either Google Pixel or Apple or the Samsung. So the major options that I'm looking at is only these three. Google does not have a very good hardware in terms of processing. It's using their own tensor chips and stuff. They are still making it better, and all it does is the camera is cool. I'm not the camera guy, she is, and we already have a iPhone for photography and videography, so that's not the major point. And for me, it's the ecosystem as well as the battery life. And
how much is the battery of this?
This has 5,000 mAh.
Oh, nice.
But recently, there was a video that I was seeing. It kind of lasts about 11 hours of complete screen on time.
Got it.
So I think it's good. Not necessarily watching Netflix continuously, but doing all of the things. So that's the kind of battery life. That's a great thing. I think I might someday get 2 days as well. So
yeah,
I'm really excited. Coming from this phone, which kind of lasts just half day, I just don't want to use the power bank anymore and have it go through the entire day from my office time about 11 all the way till 9-10. I don't have to charge and then charge it overnight or maybe sometime. And the charging speed as well, right? It now supports 65-watt charging. So it basically can charge up from 10 to 75% in just 30 minutes. So that's a cool feature that I would want to explain. And of course, we did not talk about the S Pen, which is also not there in our what do you call
Flip.
So this is the S Pen that we have. It's kind of tiny compared to the tab that we had, but now we can write something, right? Now sign PDFs and stuff using this, and I can write your name, Neha,
Cute.
And then with a heart. So yeah, we'll see. And of course, the integration ecosystem that I was talking about. So all of this thing that I scribble here is also there on my tab, also on this phone. So anything that I want, I can cross access it across my devices. So that's also crazy.
Okay, show us the camera then.
कैसा दिख रहा हूँ?
Oh, nice. तो इधर क्या क्या ऑप्शन है? You have portrait.
चलो,
Portrait में you have 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x also nice. And then you have photo. Okay, photo में भी बहुत सारा zoom है. There is video. Oh my god.
100x है photo में.
Wow.
100x will come with some AI enhancements so that जो भी small changes है, of course it is digital zoom है, but that is where the AI comes with its magic.
Nice.
Maybe we can also try to capture moon with this and
Yes.
see. Of course, I know it does something with AI and makes the image quality better, but we'll see.
Nice. Looks nice. Guys, this is the AI reimagine feature. अभी this is the photo that he clicked from his phone and इसका background अभी change कर दिया है. This looks so real. Like literally पता भी नहीं चलता है. Wow. Love it. This is a nice cool feature. है ना बाबू? I hope you'll enjoy the video. Unboxing किया इसने. And if you have any questions, we can make a video after a month after using the phone. And I think it's a good upgrade from Flip 5 to S26 Ultra. And मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया उसको ये गिफ्ट देने का, पर उसने लिया नहीं मुझसे. He self bought it. वो होता है ना guys and their obsession with क्या होता है वो, to get the bigger gadgets by themselves ऐसे. But yeah, hope you enjoy the vlog. हम बहुत जल्दी एक दूसरा vlog भी करने वाले हैं cause we are traveling and we are going for my brother-in-law's engagement. So see you all in the next vlog.
We'll take some photos with this on that day and एक blind test भी करेंगे हम. Apple का phone से भी same photos खींचेंगे और इससे भी खींचेंगे. Let's see which one does well in different scenarios. आप बताओ कौन सा पसंद आया. Maybe you can look into those photos challenge in our Instagram stories and you can click which one do you think is a better photo. Of course, it would be a blind test, so you would not know which phone actually clicked it. So let's see.
ठीक है. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.